Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Macy's beauty bag or beauty box, which when I opened it was not in a bag, which was unusual. And then also my Ipsy, my regular Ipsy bag. Ipsy is $10 a month, Macy's is $15. I decided to put them together this month because I still haven't gotten my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus yet, and I haven't gotten my Sephora Play, so those are usually the ones that I try to compare them to, and they're not here yet, and I'm sick of waiting to see what's in here. So my Macy's box, you always get this little card here. It's going to tell you everything that's in the box, and it also includes a $10 off any beauty purchase this month, so you can use that online. There's a code that's one-time use online, that's why I took it off of the sheet. And then there's also, you can use it in store, and if you do it correctly, you can use it twice. All right, so in here, there's lots of pink paper, and the first thing I'm pulling out is from Clinique. It is the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, which is really good stuff. I really like this. I think I have 3 full sizes and another mini, maybe 2 minis. So I'm happy to get another mini though, because this is great. This will last quite a long time. This is a great travel size actually. So like when I go visit family over Thanksgiving week, this will be what I take with me. So that's the first one. I'm really excited about that one actually. Let's see, that retails for $30 for the full size. And they do occasionally go 50% off. That's when I bought all of mine. The next thing I pull out of here, I think this is what we're getting instead of the bag this month. It is a 2-in-1 blender and brush. It doesn't have a price on it. I'm going to take it out, but I'm going to put this in my pile to do as a giveaway because I don't think I would probably use it. But it does have this over it. And then on this side, there is a sponge. Should be able to take this off and put it back on easily, but we'll see. It'll be back on when I put it in my giveaway. So that's what it looks like. It has like a blush brush on one side. This would actually be handy if you were traveling and you needed something for a foundation, so you could put that on, and then your setting powder on the other side. So that's the next thing, and there was no price on that item. Then we have from Strivectin, this is a line transforming melting serum. Ooh, I love serums. That's like my favorite thing to get in these beauty boxes is different serums because they're like where the real money is. They stay on your skin. They're going to be sitting there for quite a while. So that's what it looks like. Let's read about it. This retails for $89. Wow, that's a lot. They say this box is a $73 value. I just noticed that. I don't remember seeing that in past Macy's, but I don't remember. I need to look more closely, I guess. So this is supposed to be kick fine lines and wrinkles to the curb. So that's exciting. I'm actually really pleased with that one as well. Then we have our perfume samples. There are 2 of them. It looks like one is men's and one is women's. They retail for $105 for the women's, which is it's Zaro. I've never heard of that. Wanted Girl and then Wanted Man, and that one retails for $89. Now the men's one I will be passing along because I don't have anybody who would wear cologne or a toilette. We're going to spray this one though, see what it smells like. Oh, that's really like refreshing. I like that. What does it say it has? Floral Gourmand Oriental. I really like that. It smells lightly citrusy, but has some depth to it too. I'm a fan. Like that's definitely a good perfume. I'm excited about that. That might go on my next wish list. Then from Perricone MD, this is the Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. Ooh, looks nice. This retails for $69, and it says it has a Luxe Rose scent, which makes me a little nervous. It does smell like roses, but like natural, like when I would go out into my grandfather's garden where he had all his roses, that's what it smells like. It doesn't smell like a chemical. It smells like they actually put rose essence in it. So that's nice. That retails for $69 full price. So far this box is really good. Then we have a nude stick, and this is in the shade Belle. And I'm not going to open this because I already have this, and if I had known I would have brought it to swatch it for you guys, so I apologize. This retails for $24. I really like this. This is one of my favorite shades in nude sticks, and I didn't think I liked them at first, but after I've been wearing them for a while, I found that I really do like them. So that's a really nice one. I will be passing that one along as well just because of that. And then last thing in here is a Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. These retail for $29. It says it's supposed to be the shade Exposed, but when I look at the back it says Feisty, and I'm not going to swatch this one either. I know, I'm sorry. I don't know if I have this shade or not, so I don't want to swatch it if I already have it because I want to put it in a giveaway or pass it along to a friend. So there's that. If not, I'll be really excited because I love the Tarte blushes. They were on sale yesterday because I'm filming this on Saturday, and they were on sale on Friday at Ulta, and I really wanted to buy more, but I made myself not because I have too much stuff and I really couldn't afford it right now because I just came back from a convention, a comic convention, and that was really expensive. So this month's box I actually think was really good. There's some things I'm passing along. I'm passing along the brush. I'd rather have a makeup bag actually because I use these suckers all the time. This was a past, I think this was Macy's bag, maybe not. I use makeup bags all the time for various things. So that I'm a little disappointed in. The men's perfume I always pass along, or the cologne. The nude sticks I'm passing along just because I already have it, otherwise I would have been excited. But the rest of it, the cleansing balm, the serum, the moisturizer, the blush, the perfume, I'm really, really excited about. So I'm happy about that. Next we have Ipsy, and I do have add-ons, which I'll talk about at the end. But I love this month's bag. It is so cute. It's like all the little constellations, and then it has like this fake crystal here on the end, which is so cute. But it disappointed me that they didn't put the constellations on the back too. I would have liked it to been all over the bag. But that's just me. We're gonna pull out the card because that's in there, and it kind of tells you about everything that's in the bag. The first thing I'm gonna pull out is in bubble wrap. So these always take a second to destroy. And it is a blush, Ofra and Madison Miller. I used to follow Madison Miller, and then she got too big. Do you feel that way? Like sometimes YouTubers get too big and they kind of change a little bit. That's what I felt like. She was really lovely though. This is the blush. This is called All I Need Is Love. And that's a pretty shade. I have one Ofra blush that I really, really like. So I'm excited about that. And that's kind of a pretty shade as well. Then the next thing I'm pulling out in here is from IBY Beauty. This is a carry-on highlighter in the shade Jet Set, or Private Jet. This looks super dark. I'm a little nervous, to tell you the truth, because this does not look like a shade I would use, right? So this is what it looks like. It does not look nearly as dark in person, thank goodness, because that box looked really scary. So it kind of reminds me of Champagne Pop or Rodeo Drive, that kind of a shade. That's really pretty too. So I'm excited about that one too. I think that's a nice. Only thing I don't like about Ipsy is they don't give you prices on the regular Ipsy, like what a full size would be. I know this is a full size blush, and I believe these are like $30 for the blushes, roughly that. And so I have no idea what this is priced wise, but I really like the color. The next thing in here is a Kula Mineral Sun Silk Cream, 360 degree spectrum. That seems weird. It's an SPF of 30 though, once you get down to the end. I'll use it. I'm not a big Kula fan. Like their sunscreens are just okay. They're not my favorites by any means, but I don't think that's a terrible thing to put in. Although I wish I would have gotten it in like July or June or August instead of September, because I'm not going outside like ever now because school is in session. Then we have from Glow Recipe, this is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I have been wanting to try this for so long. I'm so excited that I got a sample of it now. Ooh, it's like really goopy. That's the only word I can use to describe it. I don't know if you saw it looked like slime for a second. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, it smells really, really nice. I'm excited to get this one. And then my last thing in here is a nail polish, it looks like. And this is by, what brand is this? Nature's Cartel, and this is in Rose Gold. That's actually super pretty. I need to paint my nails, so we're gonna just paint one nail really fast. I have no, whatchamacallit? Base coat, that's what it is. So it went on a little thicker than I wanted it to. You really have to clean that brush off really well. But that's the shade. Like, it's a beautiful rose gold. I think I might take a minute after I finish filming and paint the rest of my nails really fast. That's really pretty. I like that. So excited about that. We'll see how it wears. I probably should test it with, like, you know, base coat, top coat, all of those things. I did mention at the beginning that Ipsy is $10 a month, but I forgot to mention that in October, they're going up to $12 a month, and you're going to be able to choose one of your samples. So I'm actually really looking forward to that portion of it, but not that it's going up. If you subscribe before the end of September, though, you're supposed to be able to lock in a year. If you pay for a year in advance, you can lock in that $10 a month. So that's what I'm planning to do, because I'm always happy with Ipsy, especially this, like, is my second account with Ipsy, and I really have liked everything I've gotten. Like, they've done a really good job. So I'm hoping that continues. I'm going to do that year subscription, and then we'll see how it goes after that. So I can guarantee that October through September, I will definitely have other things to show you. Now, our add-ons, I got 4 add-ons because they let you get 5 now per account, and I have 2 accounts, which is kind of, I feel a little bad about, but I don't want to change them at this point. So the first thing I got was from Han-Hu Watermelon Illuminator Overnight Serum. I love serum, so I was excited to get that, and it's a watermelon serum. I don't think this has, yeah, it's sealed, so I'm not going to open the seal because I'm trying to use up my serums that don't have seals first. But that was the first thing. This one was $3. The other $3 one I got was one of the Ofra lipsticks, liquid lipsticks from Madison Miller. And she does stuff with Ipsy. She's like one of their ambassadors or something. I'm not really sure. This is called Oh My Rai Rai. And I know she just had a baby, so maybe that's the name of her, something to do with her kid. Oh my gosh, that shade is so pretty. Yeah, that's going to be a go-to everyday shade for me. I'm wishing I had bought 2 of these, one in each box, but I did not. So that one was $3. Then the other 2 things I got were $12 each because they were full size. This first one is the Glam Glow Hollywood, California. This is the Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. And I am always happy to get cleansers because I go through them fairly quickly and they're expensive. I can't really tell if it has a scent to it or not, but I just finished my other Glam Glow cleanser, so I'm excited to have another one. And then I also picked up an Ofra highlighter. This is from the Madison Miller collection too. So I kind of knew this, she was doing it. I wasn't expecting to get them in her bags though, which is pretty exciting. I try not to look when I do my add-ons. It's really hard though. Ofra Madison Miller highlighter in Moondance. Oh, that's a nice name. So that's what it looks like. I love Ofra highlighters. I did pick up one during the sale. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm wearing Pillow Talk today, so that's why I'm so beaming, because it's just, you know, a really lovely bright shade. I'm really happy with both Macy's and Ipsy this month. The add-ons really helped. The add-ons were expensive. Like, I spent $30 on add-ons with Ipsy, which is actually pretty smart marketing on their part, because, you know, you have the things and then you get more stuff on top of it. I do know what I'm getting in my Glam Bag Plus because I wanted to make sure I didn't buy what I already was getting. So spoiler, I did not get the Glam Glow Cleanser in it. But I think like the full-size blush, that watermelon sleeping cream, the highlighter, the nail polish, I'm really excited. The only thing I'm not excited about is the sunscreen, which is kind of funny because like that's more of the skincare, which I've been excited about recently. Let me know what you got in your Macy's box or your Ipsy bag, or if you don't get them, why don't you get them? Let me know. I'm always interested about that as well. And I have to add one more thing. I'm so excited about getting the Macy's $10 coupon this month because that's amazing. Anyway, I hope you are all having a fantastic day. I cannot express how happy it makes me that you spent a few minutes with me. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.